Everybody, I am currently walking towards Fountain Street near City Hall to meet my wife. We are going to a very, very special press launch tonight. Gave a little bit of a hint earlier. It wasn't really a hint, just told you what it was. It's Belfast's worst kept secret. Tim Hortons finally has arrived in Belfast. They specialise in donuts and coffee, and they're a Canadian-based brand, but they're located around the world, especially in North America, and they're launched in Belfast tomorrow. If you are, of course, watching this on YouTube later, it's already launched. So they're at the bottom of Fountain Street, and that's across the road from City Hall, across the way from the Hotel Chocolat second shop. I also want to comment on this beautiful weather we're having in Belfast. It's unseasonably warm. Well, it actually should be this warm all season, but it's obviously not because it's Belfast and we get rain all the time. But over there is the Spring Continental Market. That's back until Monday. So when I do get to this launch, I will be showing you guys what's on the menu here, hopefully, and showing you a few samples we're going to be getting for free. Yay! I know you're all jealous of that fact, but I would assume tomorrow on the actual launch there's going to be some free samples and stuff given out, but I'll try and find out for you guys later. In the meantime, we've got a special guest with us tonight. That's Tina. If you don't know where Fountain Street is, that's City Hall over there, and then you come down here, there's Tim Hortons, there's the second Hotel Chocolat, and down there's Waterstones and Boots and all that jazz. That's Fountain Street down here. We're outside here waiting patiently. All these people are here for the launch, and yeah, they said 2 minutes, so not long to go now. We're finally going in. Here it is. Hello.
It's obviously our signature. Hello, welcome to Tina Belfast.
This is the selection of donuts and other cakes and things. Amazing. It's Canadian maple, strawberry vanilla, Boston cream, noms. They've also said that we can have as much as we like, which is a terrible idea. No, it's not. Okay, fair enough. So they don't just do sweet stuff. They do sandwiches, ice drinks. They do great coffee apparently. Loads of different things here. And I'll take a picture of this so you can zoom in and check out the full menu here. So they said we could have whatever we want, and I think we might have probably taken a piss a bit too much here. So we got some paninis and stuff, and we got the famous Timbits, which are donut pieces, and we got one donut each as well. So quite a good haul. So these ones here are the famous Timbits. We got a selection of all the flavours, of course. That one there's birthday cake flavour, so I'm looking forward to trying that. And these are our other two big donuts. It's Boston cream and that's a cruller. Tina, don't hate on me here. Like, what do you think of the food so far? Yay!
Tim Hortons, Fountain Street in Belfast, first store in Northern Ireland. We're really excited to be opening up to the public tomorrow, 12 o'clock. And the first 100 people in the queue are going to get a free lunch, and the first person in the queue is going to get free coffee for a year.
Awesome. Another special guest, Belfast #1 food blogger. Hello.
With Timbits.
With your Timbits, what do you think of it?
Very good. Yeah, really enjoyable. Very, very good value for money.
Do you know the first person here tomorrow?